Welcome to the Ultimate Reproductive Physiology MCQ Challenge. This video will help you learn key concepts, revise high-yield MCQs, and ace your exams with clinical scenarios. A 25-year-old woman presents with irregular periods and excessive bleeding. Her doctor suspects an imbalance in the hypothalamic pituitary gonadal axis. Which hormone is most likely to be deficient in this patient? The correct answer is B, luteinizing hormone, LH. The LH surge triggers ovulation, and a deficiency can lead to anovulatory cycles, causing irregular periods and excessive bleeding. A lack of LH prevents the release of the egg, disrupting the regular hormonal changes. A 32-year-old woman is trying to conceive but has difficulty. Her doctor orders a test for ovulation. Which of the following is the primary event that occurs during ovulation? The correct answer is B, LH and FSH levels surge. The surge in LH and FSH levels is the hallmark of ovulation. This leads to the rupture of the Graafian follicle, releasing the ovum, and the subsequent formation of the corpus luteum. A male patient presents with infertility and decreased sperm count. His doctor notes abnormal Sertoli cell function. Which of the following is most likely to be affected by the dysfunction of Sertoli cells? The correct answer is D, spermatid maturation. Sertoli cells are responsible for providing nourishment and structural support to developing sperm. Dysfunction in these cells impairs the maturation process of spermatids into fully functional sperm. A 52-year-old woman presents with hot flashes, mood swings, and irregular periods. She is likely entering menopause. What hormonal change is most characteristic of menopause? The correct answer is C, increased LH and FSH levels. In menopause, the ovaries stop producing estrogen and progesterone, leading to a decrease in negative feedback on the hypothalamus and pituitary. This results in increased LH and FSH levels. A 28-year-old woman presents with lower abdominal pain, missed periods, and vaginal spotting. A urine pregnancy test is positive. Ultrasound shows a mass outside the uterus. Which is the most likely cause of the symptoms? The correct answer is B, ectopic pregnancy. Ectopic pregnancy occurs when a fertilized egg implants outside the uterine cavity, most commonly in the fallopian tubes. It causes symptoms like abdominal pain, missed periods, and vaginal spotting. A positive pregnancy test confirms pregnancy. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more high-yield medical MCQs and explanations. Turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Like and share this video to help others prepare. Comment below with your score and suggestions. Watch more videos on MCQs Arena. Stay focused, keep learning, and ace your exams.